We're going to install this bidet on this toilet. This is a bidet that was purchased at the thrift store for $7. Luckily, it's completely unopened. We'll open up the box, and here's what we got. The unit comes with a T to hook up to the water. Right here's the spray nozzle. Comes with a set of wrenches to take the seat off. Those wrenches don't fit our toilet seat, so we use a regular wrench. We'll loosen up the toilet seat and unscrew the nut from the bottom. Lift off the lid, turn off the water. With a bucket under the water supply, unscrew it. Let some of the water drain into the bucket. Add some Teflon tape to the threads. Add the water supply to the back of the unit. Snug it up lightly. Add Teflon tape to the T. Add the T to the bottom of the toilet. Connect the water supply up to the T. Gently snug it up with some pliers. Set the bidet on the holes. Adjust these caps until they line up with the holes. Keep playing with the slots until they line up perfectly with the holes. We'll place the seat on, center it with the holes. Put the bolts on underneath. I noticed that with this elevated, the toilet seat does not sit flush like it used to. You can see that the seat is elevated in the back. Connect the hose to the water supply. We'll turn the water on and check for leaks. No water leaking. If you're not sitting on the toilet, then it's going to fly across the room. That's how you install a bidet on a toilet.